talk about Zee that's surging in trade after the Q1 numbers. Vamakshi joins in with the first cut. Vamakshi.
Well, absolutely. It's a very strong set for Zee. The revenue has seen a modest beat, but it's the operational performance for the company that is actually driving the beat. When I look at the domestic advertising revenue, it is down nearly 3.1%. It has come in nearly 5% lower as compared to estimates. And this quarter saw an impact from cricket as well as the general election. But the subscription revenue growth is largely being driven by a pickup in linear subscription revenue post NTO 3.0 and Z5. The subscription revenue on a YOY basis is up nearly 8.8% and has come in nearly 2% higher as compared to estimates. But it is the other services, other as well as services segment that is actually seeing a sharp jump. Keep in mind that this is largely their movie division, and the base quarter had no movies, and therefore we're seeing a nearly 70.4% surge in that particular segment. EBITDA has come in at 270.56 crores. This is 22% higher as compared to the street expectations. EBITDA margin at 12.7% is also at a multi-quarter high. It has come in nearly 220 basis points higher than estimates, and the net profit at 118.1 crores is nearly 22% higher as compared to estimates. The management has also shared an outlook in the presentation. They expect gradual margin improvement that we are seeing to continue through the rest of the year. The magnitude of the margin improvement will, however, be dependent on how the ad revenue picks up in the second half of the year. But overall, they expect FY25 margins to be better as compared to FY24, and in FY26, in fact, they're expecting to deliver industry-leading 18 to 20% EBITDA margin. So overall, they've shared a good outlook as far as the margin is concerned. They've reported a good set of numbers in the first quarter. We will be waiting for the management commentary that comes through in the con call today.
Absolutely. It's not bad at all, considering all the twists and turns in the Zee story. And as Vamakshi is pointing out, and by the way, it's quite telling, the advertising revenue at 911 crores and subscription revenue is now almost touching 1,000 crores. It's telling you how the business itself has perhaps come of age over the last many months and quarters, with the subscription numbers actually looking better than advertising. That used to be the bread and butter for any media company. So changing times. Anyway, let's take a quick